29th of December 2019. I'm at Condobolin station and there's a speed restriction, 20 kilometres an hour I think. So I've got something coming along here. I can't tell you what it is, but we're just going to wait for it patiently, me and the dogs. And here he comes. Oh, is that NR74? Wow. I don't know, I'm just guessing. Saw the Garn livery. This will be pretty good actually. Coming through the station at 20 kilometres an hour. What a good thing for a photo shoot for a rail fan. It is. I know, 18. Look at that. Oh, what a drive-through. Yay, 73. Absolutely awesome. Oh, I'm not going to count the wagons today. Oh, here comes a double. There must be some sort of track problem, I guess, for a 20 kilometre an hour speed restriction. Oh, look at that, Bailey. Bailey, sit. It's all good. They're big wagons. The dogs are just a bit concerned. Oh, this is like a, what do you call it, a flyby for a rail fan. 20 kilometres an hour, it's just a, yeah. Might make for a long video. Brothers Transport. Oh, and a few more. So this one's heading east, so coming in from Perth. It's about 8:30 on a Sunday. I think those ones are meat wagons, I think, these white ones. General freight. Oh, that one says bulk liquid. Something here on a flat tray. What's that? Timber. Get beams. Timber beams. It said QLD on it too. Inland rail will be good when it gets going. I don't know what that one was. It had a lot of pipes coming in and out of it. Removals and storage. There's another tank one, another tank. 2 tanks. Lindsay Fox, isn't it? More timber beams. More timber beams. And some wagons. Saddlers. They always seem to be on the end of the train if I'm right. Oh, maybe not. Towards the end. Hey. What's that one? Dunno. Nothing on it. Oh, looked open. Beams. Where's beam? Don't know what that is. Another tank. Is he open too? Yeah, tank's open. Empty tank. Gee, she's a big one there, folks. What bit of freight comes through Condo? You wouldn't know it, you know, the ordinary person wouldn't realise the amount of freight that comes through this place. I think these are these tank containers again, or that, oh, who knows, maybe not. Nah, it's got doors on it. They're called well wagons because you can see them. They sit lower than the wheels, and then you can put another container on top. There's a lot, isn't there, Bailey? Yeah, refrigerated. Gosh, this is a long one. There's still more to come. Aha. More. There's an empty wagon. Oh no, look, it goes right back through that gap. Goodness me. And only 2 locos on it too. And big train dogs. Here we go. There you go, folks. Bit of a long one, but anyway, good show.